In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the quickest and the easiest way that you can find winning and trending products, all handpicked by expert dropshippers, and import them to your store in just a few seconds and in just a few clicks. Now, quick disclaimer, every single one of these products is proven to sell. They are proven to be trending, and you have complete and full access to them if you're using the AutoDS Handpicked Products Hub. Now, to gain access to AutoDS, if you don't have access just yet, just go ahead and check out the link down in the description below. With it, you're gonna get access for 2 weeks for just $1, and you're gonna get access to this. So with your AutoDS subscription, you are gonna be able to take advantage of a huge marketplace with tons of winning and trending products. Now, we do have 3 separate sections to this, all of which can help you find some of the best products and even help you market the products and price them. So check it out. The very first thing we're gonna do is, after we sign up, is land on our marketplace. Here we have a few different categories and a few different niches to choose from. So if you're selling toys and hobbies, or if you're doing anything outdoors or for your pets, you can go ahead and niche down through here. Besides that, we do have a couple of other filters. So here we're going to see the ships to. So where are you dropshipping to? If you're dropshipping in the US, the UK, Germany, or anywhere else, you can go ahead and make sure that your suppliers are shipping to these locations. Besides that, you also have the currency and where the product is shipping from. This is huge because this can help you narrow down your products to make sure that you have the closest shipping for the fastest shipping. Besides that, we also have the price range. So do you want something that's under $5 or anywhere between 30 to 100? And then finally, we have our suppliers. Now, when it comes to our suppliers, we have quite a few different that we work with. So we have your traditional suppliers. We have AliExpress, Amazon, DHgate, and all of these other ones that all support full automation. But besides that, we also have the AutoDS suppliers and warehouse. Now, what's the difference between this and all of the other ones? Well, these are private suppliers that are vetted and are working specifically with AutoDS. Now, all of these suppliers are vetted to ensure quality, fast shipping, and even a couple of extras, such as branding. So using the AutoDS private suppliers and warehouse, you get access to branding your products. So with that option, you're able to upload your logo and have it printed on either the back of a thank you card, on your invoice, or both. So that way all of your orders have an extra little personal touch, and your customers are going to think that it's coming directly from you and not sourced from a different supplier. Now, if we look at the screen over here, we can see that we have this product over here, this massage gun, and it has customizable branding and AutoDS suppliers discounted prices. So this is going to be one of our suppliers, and it is going to give you the option to brand. So let's go ahead and click into it. Now, once we do click into the product, we're going to have a couple of different pieces of information. We're going to have the different variations. We have where it's shipping from. And we even have an option to be able to message the supplier directly if we have any questions about the product or any variations. And we also have the option to create a sample order. Now, this is huge because this allows us to order just one of these to either ourselves or to one of our customers. Or let's say if we're working with an influencer, it allows us to send this over to an influencer. Now, to make things even better, you're getting this product at cost. So whatever you see here, that's how much you're gonna be paying for it. You don't have to pay whatever it is, the price that you set on your own Shopify store or wherever else it may be that you're selling. Now, besides that, if we scroll down a little bit, we're gonna have a bit more product information and a few different products that are similar to the one that we're looking at. We also have our suppliers policy in terms of their shipping and their returns. Now, like I was mentioning earlier about the customization and your branding, you can go ahead and add that directly on the page if you haven't done so through your settings page. So you can do that directly through the marketplace listing. All we have to do is look for this right here, create your customizable branding, click on add now, and then it's going to take us to our store settings. And we're going to look down here under branding settings, and we're going to upload our logo through here. Now, whenever any of our products or our orders are sourced through the AutoDS private suppliers and warehouse, they will be shipped with your logo attached to them. Now, if you run back to the marketplace, we do have a couple of other options. So you do have the option to search different products, search through the different listings, and see if there's a particular product that you're looking for through here. You can also filter by the best sellers, the fastest shipping, or you can also sort by any one of these different options on here. Now, this is the marketplace. This is where you find pretty much all of your different suppliers. This isn't necessarily the winning and trending product section or the handpicked product section. Instead, for that, we're going to go to the second option down here, the handpicked product section. So all of these products on here are chosen by expert dropshippers with a particular criteria in mind. They know exactly what to look for, and they use real sales data to be able to narrow these products down. So if we look at our header, if we look at the top over here, we have pretty much the same options that we had for the marketplace. We have the ships to, the currency, but then we have ads. So are there any ads running for these products? So I want to look for products that have Facebook ads or products that have TikTok ads. Now, we also have an orders tab. So we can go ahead and filter based on how many orders a particular product has had. So if we want to see any products that have had over 500 orders, we can filter it through here. Then we also have a profit range. So how much money can you potentially make with this product? So maybe I want to sell products that I can make anywhere between $20 to $30 for. I can go ahead and narrow that down through here as well. Same thing goes for the item cost range. How much does my product cost to source? When was the product created, or when was the listing created, or simply when was this product uploaded to the AutoDS Handpicked product section? And then we have the other niches down here. Now, where it really starts to change and where the Handpicked product section really starts to shine is in the extra analytics that you get. So if you hover over here, you're going to have a bit of information that we're also going to see if we click into the product itself. Now, once we're in the product page in the Handpicked product section, this is what we're going to see. As you can see, it does look a little bit different already. So for one, you have a profit potential. So how much money can you potentially make by selling this product, what it's being sold for on average, more or less, and how many orders have come in for this particular product. We also have an engagement score and a saturation score. What is this? Well, an engagement score is simply how active this product is on social media. How many people are interacting with this product? How many people are liking the videos? How many people are clicking on the links to go ahead and purchase that product? How many people are commenting on the product videos, I'm sorry. All of that is tallied up into this engagement score. So the higher it is, the more active it is on social media. The lower it is, the less active it is. Whether you want to sell it when it's inactive or active, that really depends on you and how you structure your marketing or your content, which, by the way, we also have a few things to help you out with that. Just stick around for a little bit longer. This is really going to be dependent on the product. So if it is at inactive, if you don't have a lot of activity on social media, then that means you can come in and start making waves with maybe a few different types of creatives. Maybe it's a brand new product and not many people are selling, so not a lot of people on social media know about it. Well, in that case, you could be one of the first to sell it. But then on the flip side, if it's active, then a lot of people could be promoting this product. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that you shouldn't go ahead and make the content for this product. It's obviously a winning product, and it's a product that's getting a lot of sales. So in turn, there's a lot of room for people to go ahead and create content for that product and go ahead and start selling it. Now, on the other side, we have the saturation score. So the saturation score is simply how many people are selling this product. How many people are trying to sell this product? How flooded is the market with it? Now on this one, you can see that there's a saturation score of 40, so it's currently kind of busy, and kind of the same thing with the engagement score. This really depends on you. So if it is at full market, if it's a winning product that you know you can sell, then go ahead and sell it. But if it's a product that you're kind of iffy about it, if you're not sure if you want to sell it, then don't worry about it. Just skip it and go on to the next one. The way that I see the saturation and the engagement score together is really more of a marketing difficulty scale. So the more full the market is with this product, the harder it is going to be for you to market it or to promote it. But if you have good ideas, if you have good content, if you know what you're doing when it comes to actually advertising your products, or simply just going viral on TikTok or Instagram Reels, then you have lots and lots of potential. Now, besides that, if you're running ads on TikTok or if you're running ads on Facebook, then you also have a target audience section. So this helps you narrow down the audience that you want to target for those ads. And we have a social ads section as well. Now, this can either be TikTok, Facebook, or both. But at the end of the day, what you're going to see here is real life examples of ads that are running promoting these products. So we can either watch them directly through here, or we can see the original ad, and it'll take us to the TikTok page. So let's go ahead and mute this because this just seems to be music. And then really what this is for is it's a great source of inspiration for you to be able to see how you can market your products or how you can start to promote your products, how you can structure your content. Now below that, we have the competitors section. So this is something that's very useful because this can help you price your products. Now, how does this help? Well, it simply just shows you what other competitors are selling the exact same product that you are. So if we click on this one over here, we can see that this person is selling it. We can see how their store is laid out. We can see what we want to copy, what we don't want to copy. Same thing goes for the other one. They kind of look similar. Yeah, they kind of look a little bit similar. And then we have the third one over here, which just looks a bit more plain. But to be honest with you, I think out of all of these, I think this might be the one that I trust the most to actually make the purchase. But at the end of the day, you can check these out, see which one works for you, see which one you like, and you can start to copy certain things from your competitors to start making your page a bit more unique and to really stand out. And then we have a few AutoDS insights, which really just tell you a little bit about the product itself and more recommended products or similar products. Now, besides that, you saw it in the marketplace, we have this import draft button. What this does is it simply allows us to add this product to our draft section where we can then go in later, adjust the title, adjust the description, the pricing, and all that stuff before it actually goes live on our store. Importing the draft essentially just saves the product for us and makes it ready for us to just make any quick edits before it goes live on our store. And then just like previously, we also have the create sample order. So we can order a sample directly from this page. Now, the last thing on this page is going to be where it ships from. So this one in particular, shipping from China, the shipping price, and the different variations. So this one seems to come with a 2, a 6, and an 8 piece. All right, now if we click back into the handpicked product section, the last thing that I do want to show you is going to be the last 2 filters down here. So we have the ability to be able to sort our different products by, let's say, the price, the shipping time, or how recently the products were added. Or we can simply just check out any products that were uploaded in the last week. Now, next up, we have the ads by section. So this section is going to focus solely on ads. So if you want to see what products are being promoted on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, or all 3, you can check all that out through here. So these are all ads that are currently running live. Now, I'm be straight up with you. A lot of the different ads that are running on here are for products that are selling on TikTok Shop, because right now TikTok Shop is probably the biggest marketplace hands down that I've been seeing people running different ads for, just because it's so simple to get on there, right? You can go ahead and upload every single video that you want, and technically you're already promoting your dropshipping product or the product that you're trying to sell. So on here, we can go ahead and, let's say we don't want to focus on TikTok. Let's say we want to go into Instagram. We want to see what's running on Instagram. We can go ahead and click on Instagram over here. We can go ahead and search for a particular keyword. So maybe we want to search for mugs, any examples for mugs. We can check out the like count. So how many people have interacted with this video and liked it? Does it have a linked product? Yes or no? So what that means is simply, can I go ahead and click on the linked product and see the product itself? The CTA button. This I like to leave blank because it really just encompasses everything, but you can filter by just the CTA, which would be shop now, order now, visit store, or any of these in particular, and the interaction rate. So really just a percentage of how many people have interacted with this video that have seen the video or the ad. Now we have a few other advanced filters if you really want to get granular with it. So we can filter by comments, when the last comment was made, how many views the video has, what the geographic location of the video is, so what country was it posted from, the language, the age range that it's targeting, and the gender of the person that it's targeting, along with the creation date, so how long ago was this video posted, or simply what time frame we want to choose from. The media type, so are we looking for just videos, just a single image, or a carousel, which would be a mix of videos and images, or just multiple videos. And this one's actually pretty interesting, where it's leading us to. So the e-commerce platform, is it being sold on TikTok? Is it being sold on Shopify, Wix, eBay, whichever one? We can see all that through here. Now, besides that, we also have a sort by option over here. So we can go ahead and sort by the creation date, the likes, and the comments growth percentage. So which one has more comments that are being added to it or commented on it. And then we have a general overview of the different ads. So here we have the likes, the comments, and the days that it's been live. Let's see if we can find a different one. So I'm gonna go with one that seems to have some good interactions, which would be this one over here. I switched over to everything and I'm going for the TikTok one. So we can go ahead and click on see TikTok ad, and then it's gonna bring up this page. Now this page is gonna show us the actual ad, so we can watch it directly from here.
Okay. Wait, is this a phone or a toy?
We have that one. That's actually a pretty interesting little kid flip phone, I'm not sure. But anyway, we have the engagement rates. So we have the likes, comments, and all that information. We have a nice little chart as well that shows us the graph over time since the ad was uploaded. And then we have the timeline, the actual product down here that we can click on. And then we can see the product or where it's leading us to. In this case, it's leading us to TikTok Shop. Yep, and it's this one right here. And then we have just the see the original post, so we can see the product directly on TikTok. And we also have an option to create viral ads with TikTok. So if we click on that, we get a promotion to be able to start running ads on TikTok at a discounted rate. Now, the very last part on the marketplace is going to be the trending product section. And this has to be probably one of the more interesting ones, simply because all of the products on here aren't chosen by people. These are actually chosen by an AI. Now, this AI essentially just scours the internet and it looks for products that are getting traction, products that seem to be getting a bit of interaction and seem to be on the rise. The very first one that we see here is a Christmas refrigerator magnet, which actually really makes sense because Christmas is in a couple of months. So right now would be the time for these products to start picking up. Now, just like the previous sections, we have the different filters that we can go ahead and filter by. This one is pretty much the same thing as the handpicked products. We have the likes, when it was created, how much the product sold for or how much it's selling for on average, the number of impressions that they're getting, the interaction rates, the sell price, so how much the product is selling for, how much you could potentially make in profits, and when the last time somebody commented on the ads were, which is pretty interesting because that'll show you how recent people have been interacting with it. So is it still trending? Is it trending right now? Was it trending yesterday? Now, clicking into these different products, we're going to see a little bit of different data than we saw earlier. We're going to see how many have been sold, the profit potential, which in this case is about 12 bucks, the interaction rate, which in this case is just under 1%, the number of reviews, and the selling price. Then we have just an overall product score. So is this a good product to dropship? Right now, yeah, it's a pretty good product to dropship because Christmas time is coming up. Then we have the geographical location for the product distribution. So where has this product been selling the most? And interestingly enough, it has been selling in Chile, Australia, Germany, and France. Pretty soon it's going to start picking up for the US, so watch out for that. We have a bit more familiar information here on the side. We can click to see the original product, and then it'll also take us to the original product listing, in this case, TikTok Shop once again. And then we have our social ads section, which will show you the different ads that are running for this product, and the description, which is really going to be the description from the supplier. So this is going to be kind of just like the ones that you see on Shopify, or let's say on AliExpress for the most part, because it's just going to be a bunch of images and text. Now, just to give you a quick bonus, after you import your draft, it is going to go to the draft section. I mentioned this earlier, but I want you to see it so that we can see exactly what I'm talking about. So if you click on the draft section, it'll bring you over here where you can go ahead and see all of the different products that you've added to your drafts. And then we can go ahead and start to edit any of the information that we want from our listing. So we can edit the title, we can edit to any collections if we're selling on Shopify. We can go ahead and change the description. We can even create an entire product page with AI directly from this page. And we have the different variants along with a pricing calculator. The cool thing about this pricing calculator that I absolutely love is the fact that this total profit is already excluding your fees. So this is going to be how much you take home. So let's say I want to make 100%. I have to sell the product at $10.66, taking into consideration the $3 in fees or the 3% in fees. I take home $5.32. So what did you think of today's video? What did you think of the AutoDS marketplace and the handpicked product section? I would love to hear your thoughts on this. Let me know down in the comments below. Remember to take advantage of our trial period. You get 2 weeks for just $1. Huge thank you so much for watching once again. My name is Mario with AutoDS. Hope to see you guys soon. Once again, make sure to subscribe, and I'll catch y'all next time.